Jeremiah was a bullfrog, one good friend of mine. Never understood a single word he said, but helped him drink his wine. He always had a mighty fine heart, singing joy to the world. All the boys and girls, the joys and the faces and the tears seen. Joy to you and me. If I were the king of the world, to tell you what I do, I throw away the bars and the cars and the walls and make sweet love to you. And joy to the world, all the boys and girls, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me. If I love a lady, we got to have my fun. You know, high fire and a rainbow rider, straight to the sun will come, straight to the sun will come, singing joy to the world. All the boys and girls, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me. Wow, take it away, Billy. Straight to the sun will come, the joy, son of a gun, we sing a joy to the world. All the boys and girls, the joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, the joy to you and me. I'll do it again. The joy to the world. All the boys and girls, the joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me. I'll do it. Joy to the world. All the boys and girls, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me. One more. Joy to the world. All the boys and girls, joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea, joy to you and me. Wow.
Thank you.